Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add Google Translate in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard, and now we need to install a free plugin. So you can go in WordPress plugin library, and here you can search for Gtranslate. Then you can install this plugin free of cost, and here you can see plugin ratings and active installations. So after activation, on the left side you can go in settings, then here you can see Gtranslate. Then first option is widget loop. So these are different designs that you can easily use and display in your website. And on the right side here you can see how this design will look. So for example, let me change to this one, pop up. So in this way it will work, and after that drop down. So this is very simple, and you can select the default language from which you want to translate. Then scroll down and you can select a language label, and if you want to display this Gtranslate in website menu, then you can select any of the menu from here. So you can also add language selector in floating mode. Then you can select the languages, so you can check more and more languages and you can easily add that. So by default these are 5 to 7 languages that are added. Then click on save changes. So now let's go and reload this page. Here you can see there is nothing for the translation. So now we have added this option, and now this page is automatically translated. As when last time I added this plugin, then this language was checked. So now let me go and change it to French. So now this post is translated in French language. In this way you can easily add Google Translate in your WordPress website.